Honorable guests, parents, visitors, my fellow graduates, teachers, and our beloved principal, Mr. Wilson Atalado, a pleasant good morning to all. I'm very happy because today is our graduation day. I will never forget those times when we were nursery and kindergarten as I joined Miss St. Francis 2011. From that I gained confidence and all my shyness is gone. I have lots of fun memories with my classmates as we play, dance, and sing. Thank you, classmates, for our friendship. I would like to say thank you to my teacher for teaching us to read and write. Also for the love and care, and for my mama, thank you very much for the love and support. I love you, Mama. You are my great teacher. My fellow graduates, my classmates, I hope every one of us will continue our studies to become successful one day. Aim high towards our big dreams and ambitions as we go forward to the next step of our elementary